Hello everyone, this is Shabnam Watson. Today is May 23rd, 2023, and Microsoft Fabric was announced at Microsoft Build today. I want to show you how easy it is to turn Microsoft Fabric on in your Power BI tenant. So let's see how you can do that. I'm going to go to the settings in Power BI admin portal. And you can see that under tenant settings, I have a new setting that has shown up. And of course, it's Microsoft Fabric. And I can enable this by just moving this toggle to the right and deciding who I want to enable this experience for, entire org, certain AD groups, or exclude certain AD groups. So here I'm gonna select the entire org and click on apply. And I get a message here that says this will take about 15 minutes. In my experience, sometimes this goes faster than 15 minutes. So you have to try for yourself and see how fast it goes for you. And the way to find out if it's done or not is by hitting refresh sometimes and just waiting and seeing if this icon changes. Now, as you can see, that's done for me. So now I have the new Fabric icon show up. And now that Fabric has been enabled, I can go to the bottom left of my screen here and click here and see all the other experiences that Fabric brings with it, which include Azure Data Factory features that are here for data integration, as well as many features from Azure Synapse Analytics that enable workloads like data warehousing, lakehouse, data engineering, data science, real-time analytics, and much, much more are here available all in one interface in a software as a service mode. That's the key here, because you no longer need to deal with provisioning services and stitching them together. Now you have one interface that brings everything truly together with one security, one governance, one access method. Any one of you who have been working with Power BI service, you know that how practical this model is to take analytics at large scale across organizations and make data available to those who need to use it. Now, if you go here to this link on the top, that will take you to the Microsoft Fabric homepage, which is a jumping place to all of these experiences. You can click on any one of these to go to the individual experiences, or you can click on the bottom left and choose any one of these. So for example, if I choose data engineering, this is going to take me to the data engineering experience that's tailored towards the kind of tasks that data engineers do. And as you can see, I can create a lakehouse here. I can run Spark notebooks and Spark jobs from here. Now, the experiences are not tied to one workspace. It doesn't mean that you're limited in a Power BI workspace or now a Fabric workspace to only one of these experiences. You can have many of these artifacts in one single workspace and truly collaborate from that workspace.